1950s Classic Men's Grooming presents How to Style a Jelly Roll with Union Oil-Based Pomade. Reset your hair with water to its natural position. If applicable, heat dry in order to shape the jelly trunk and dry back your hair. Once achieved, scoop a generous amount of Union oil-based pomade, then rub evenly onto the palm of your hands. Next, apply the pomade thoroughly to ensure an even application. Now, with a styling comb, follow the shape achieved from your hairdryer. Lastly, work the trunk and roll into desired shape. Get yours in this handsome package today.